Hello everyone, welcome to today's video, how to sign up for total new balance automatic payments with Alliance Bank via your CPS homeowners portal. My name is Sean and I will be your guide today. Now, today what we're going to do is show you how you can sign up for what is called total new balance automatic payments. Several of you recently in your community now have your water bill that is also charged directly to your homeowner's account along with your HOA dues. Now, in most cases, the HOA dues, they will remain the same, and therefore it is easy to set up automatic payments. But now, with the addition of the water bill, it can be difficult as the water bill does fluctuate. Fortunately, Alliance Bank now offers something called Total New Balance, which solves this issue. And today I'm going to show you how to sign up for that. So first, we'll want to go to the homeowners portal at portal.cpscolumbus.com. Once you've arrived at portal.cpscolumbus.com, you're going to want to log in using your email and password. Now that we are logged in, we're going to want to go over to the Alliance Bank payment portal, which we can access by clicking this button, eCheck/credit card. So, if you have not already set up an account with Alliance Bank, it will ask you for some information. However, we have already done so, and so we are going to skip over that part. It is very self-explanatory, and we are going to go right into how to set up a scheduled payment set to total new balance. So scrolling down here, we'll see this area that says scheduled payment, which we will click on. And we do have several options. Now there is the original option of a fixed amount, which is what we would do if you were only making your scheduled HOA payment with nothing that was going to fluctuate. But again, we're trying to deal with the fact that there will now be additional charges that do fluctuate month to month. So you will want total new balance, and you will select the option there. When you select the frequency, you will select the frequency of how often you make these payments. In this case, we will be selecting monthly. And now, the thing you will always want to do when you set this up for your next month's payment, you will want to set it to come out on the 5th of the month. Now, why are we setting it for the 5th of the month? Well, that is because that is the amount of time that Alliance Bank needs for their system to speak to your account to determine how much is owed. So when you are setting up the first payment, you are going to want it to be on the 5th of the month that you are making the payment for, and this will recur every month after. There is no need to set an end date, as it will simply continue going on, and no matter what the amount changes to in the future, it will continue to access the total new balance option, at which point we will then click Review Payment. Now, once you scroll through this information and confirm that everything is done, you will click Authorize and Submit, at which point you will receive confirmation that your payment has been successfully set up, and you will be free to go forward and know that your bills, including whatever your water bill is, along with your monthly HOA fee, is being paid on time and correctly. If you require further assistance with setting up your account, please contact Alliance Bank at 844-739-2331. They are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time and will be happy to help you with setting this up. Please be sure to have your homeowner's account number ready so that they can better assist you with the setup of this total new balance automatic payment. And that is our instructional video today, everyone. Thank you for joining me. I'm Sean with Capital Property Solutions saying, thank you for helping us turn your neighborhood into a community. Bye now.